Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman arrived in the US earlier today to attend the 2023 spring meetings of the World Bank Group and the International Monetary Fund, along with G20 meeting. India's Finance Minister is on a week-long trip to the US. While there, she will host the second G20 Finance Ministers and Central Bank Governors meeting under India's G20 Presidency and G20-related side events according to the Finance Ministry. The first meeting of G20 Finance Ministers was held in New Delhi last month. The minister is scheduled to meet with global economists, business leaders, think tanks, and investors in roundtable meetings. She will also have bilateral meetings with several countries and international organizations. During the meetings, progress on the work of the World Bank and IMF is discussed. Other featured events include regional briefings, press conferences, and fora focused on international development, issues of debt, economic recovery, and climate. The FM and Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta Das will jointly chair the second G20 FMCBG meeting on April 12th. Around 350 delegates from G20 members, 13 invitee countries, and various international and regional organizations will participate in these meetings. The second G20 FMCBG meeting will comprise of 3 sessions on global economy and international financial architecture, sustainable finance, financial sector and financial inclusion, and international taxation. The focus of these sessions will be to deliberate on issues such as addressing food and energy security, managing global debt vulnerabilities, strengthening multilateral development banks, mobilizing finance for climate action, advancing financial inclusion, and accelerating progress on international tax and financial sector issues. In the course of her visit, she will also participate in a fireside chat at Peterson Institute of International Economics on April 10th. In a high-level meeting on April 11th, the minister will meet the US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen to discuss issues of mutual interest. During the visit, meeting of the Global Sovereign Debt Roundtable will be co-chaired by India, International Monetary Fund, and the World Bank on April 12th to discuss the current global debt landscape and ways to address existing challenges in debt restructuring.